Oh, hello everybody. Remember what I said on like my house and pet tour on that video? I said I'll make a video on how to make a Lego city in June. It's June 3rd. And let's make the video. Yay. I believe I also said it will be like 50 minutes long. Woo boy. That's great. And yep, there the flicker's back. Oh, also, here's a kitty y'all didn't get to see on the pet tour. His name is Walkie. He loves everybody. He's a very happy kitty. So anyways, I'm not actually gonna bring out Legos because it's gonna make a mess. I'll just tell you the story of how I made it. But if you want to see like the Lego bin itself, it's right there in my closet. You may not be able to see it, but like if you see that tiny little pile right there-ish in that area, that's my Lego bin. Anyway, so let me get started with the story. It all started back in 2019 when I decided to do something with Legos, and well, I didn't have the Lego bin at the time in my room. It was downstairs in my basement. So I decided to make something great, a Lego city. It took a while. Like, I made buildings out of the colorful blocks, like a lot of them. And when I finished one building, it looked like doo-doo. And I legit looked like someone threw up if they ate like something rainbow, and then just made that into a tower. That's what it looked like. So I decided to take it down, get all the certain amount of colors I need. Got white, brown, black, gray, any color you need to make like buildings. So I ended up making like a skyscraper, a couple of other skyscrapers, some buildings, the usual thing in a Lego city you normally find. But I decided to make something a little different. I decided to put dinosaurs in it. That's right, dinosaurs. It would make it a little bit different than others. I don't know why I got this accent. It comes with me sometimes. I don't know. So yeah, I decided to make it with dinosaurs. And since I had dinosaurs, it's a lot more interesting and unique to itself. So, like, we don't have to, like, imagine what, like, dinosaurs would be. And it's just like T-Rexes, Indominus Rex. Oh my god, Indominus Rex. There we go. And, like, Indoraptor, maybe Baryonyx. Just those ones. And one Velociraptor, the blue, the Velociraptor. She's my favorite one out of Velociraptors. Don't yell at me if you like Echo or Charlie or the other one. I like those ones as well. Just blue's like the favorite one. Actually, no, Charlie's my favorite one. That's right, Charlie. Even though he doesn't get that much screen time as the other ones, he's still one of my favorites. And I put that also in it, and Mish, where's your viewers? It's Mish, guys. It's Mercy. Mish. Anyway, so as I was saying, after I put in the dinosaurs, I decided to try to start working on roads, which was a difficult part. So I had to research on how to actually do it, and there weren't any YouTube videos on oh my god, I just hit the thing. Anyways, there weren't any YouTube videos about it, how to make Lego roads, because, well, it was 2019 and Legos were still popular, but people didn't really make roads with custom parts. Hey, I'm not saying maybe none of my viewers that might see it don't do that. I'm just saying I did not find any of those videos, so I'm gonna make my own custom design. So I had to use 1 by 2 Lego bricks for the floor of the city, and then black 1 by 2 Lego pieces for the road, and then light yellow pieces for the yellow lines, obviously, for the roads. But I decided to switch out the black ones for gray ones because, well, do you really see like black roads? I usually see like gray roads. And so if I had to attach a building, I use like the 1 by 2 Lego piece brick with like the little studs on the side of them, so you can attach stuff to it from the side. So it'll be going like this way, and then the little studs will be going like that. So you can attach stuff to it, so it will be able to stay. But you have to move it very carefully. I just took the buildings off, and then moved them first, then the map, like the map itself, the ground for it. Because if you move both at the same time, it's just gonna be chaotic. Cause like the weight on it just breaks the floor. And then, guess I gotta go to Bruno in. Anyways, I'll continue my thing real quick. So, if you move both, it's just gonna break. Don't ever do that. Anyone who wants to build something with Legos, don't ever move the base and the structure on it at the same time. Otherwise, it's just gonna be pure chaos. Bruno, come on, buddy. Into. You all know Bruno. He's our sort of pit bull, but he's not a pit bull. He's an American Tapper. With some pit bull in him. Yes, he's in the pit bull family. And Bruno, no sniffing poo poo. Go. Yeah, he's sometimes weird. Anyways, oh yeah, after the base part, and don't move out with the structure. So what you can do though is like, if you want to make light posts, like ones that might be able to be like, I'm trying to think of what set it might be. A Dominus Rex escape, like the little parts that make like the fence part on the top of the tower. Those pieces, and maybe the Lego roller coasters with like the little attachable pieces. Actually, I can show you guys what I'm talking about. I'm gonna talk about them. I can show them. Bruno, what are you doing? Stay there, buddy. Alright, so the pieces I'm talking about are like these things. You can attach them to a little like clip thing. I believe I might have in here.
Hey, I'm gonna pull this shit out now. Why?
Wait, do I have to pull it out? Come on. Just have one in here already. Just so we can get back to the viewers. Here we go. Alright. So, you're gonna need one of these pieces. I don't know what number this is, but it's a Lego piece that you need to attach these two. So you can cut this into length, and maybe I'll make like a little design. And if you want to make like a roller coaster, you use these pieces. So you have to cut this to the size, and then get a type of Lego piece like that can go around, like the little Lego studs that have the holes in them, like those ones. You can make it into the shape that you want, and wrap it around the little gray studs with holes in them around this. Then the little like gray cup piece with a clear stud that's yellow. You can put in that stud. Then you have a lamp post, and you can put a Lego cylinder part right here with the hole part, so you can attach it into the base or the map. That's how you can make a lamp post. That's the easiest way I can explain it, because I'm not really a master builder. I mean, might be a master builder, I don't know. I sometimes build a lot, and sometimes I don't build. It's just chaotic sometimes with me and my Legos. Don't really know what's happening. And my mom sometimes takes my Legos and put them up here. If anyone else's parents like take your Legos when you're using them, maybe put it down in the comments and tell me out of 10 how sometimes infuriated you get when they do it.
Do I got on the lighting again? Oh my god.
That any better?
No, it's not.
Now is that better? A tiny bit, maybe. So yeah, I'm in my kitchen, and I'm just gonna show you all something.
It's a kitten. He says hi.
Kitten friend. He's a friend. They are friends. Friends are kittens. Kittens are friends. Especially hydrated. My doctor tells me. There we go. Anyways, I'm kind of wet. Not in that way. Loose, baby. Now that we got that part out of the way, the lampposts. If you want to make like buildings, then you're gonna need like Technic pieces. So like TD Lego Bricks, I think he might have something sort of like it, or another YouTuber. Yeah, TD Bricks. He has sort of like a video, I think, of where he makes like a building, and he's just like Technic pieces with like sort of like a cylinder sort of like thing with like many holes in them, so you can attach like other Technic pieces into them, like the little. I'll just show you again. Again. I'm just terrible at describing them. I really am. Alright, cats, this is the 5th time I've entered here. Not to bother you guys, just show my people something. Okay, so Technic piece, where is it? It's not exactly the piece I was talking about, but it's sort of like it. Something that might look like this, but it's more like a cylinder, and you can have like, come on, and you can have the little like blue bolts for it, and Legos, or the red ones, or whatever color you get. I don't know wherever the hell you guys are watching from. Might be watching from China, India, wherever the hell you watching from. I'm not saying wherever you all were watching is bad. I'm just saying it to say it. Wherever you guys are watching from, what color Legos you guys get from there. Use like the clips, those ones. The one I just showed you, the red ones. Use like whatever color the ones they give you. The bigger the better. Actually, no, maybe the smaller the better. No, it doesn't matter, just use those pieces. Anyway, so if you want to make an interior, then you don't use those, but if you don't want interior, you just want it to be outside looking, use those, and then like that white piece that I just showed you that I said you can have this, or a cylinder piece, so like that you can attach on the outside and cover with like some type of like 2x4 flat piece, like a gray one, and then so you can attach like the cylinder parts with the Lego bolts into the rectangle piece with the holes. So then you can make a structure with triangles on the inside. Because apparently I learned in facts class that triangles are more stronger than any other shape. We made pasta towers with triangles. Wait, I'm getting off topic. Anyways, like, you just use a triangle structure on the inside to hold the skyscrapers or the building that you want to make in place. Well, not in place. That's for like the 1x2 Lego piece with the studs on it. You just so it has a structure. It doesn't like just break apart when you touch it. Anyways, what else can I talk about? I guess you like want to add a beach or something, and you can just put like you can have to have like a barrier around your Lego city, so you can put like clear, dark, or light blue Lego studs, the clear ones, into like a little corner. Then you can put sand around it if you want to make a beach. But if you just want to make an ocean, you just put that stuff there. If you want to get really like fancy, you can like put the tech. Then you can put the 1x2 Lego pieces going like this way with the studs coming out. And you can attach the studs onto them, so you can make it look like waves hitting the shoreline. What else can I talk about? If you want to build like something with interior, then you're gonna want to use like tall pieces, not like, well, you can use like thick and short pieces. They might be a little better, but if you want something to be like, you want to have something like have a structure, you might want to use like small. But if you want to have something be tall, use long, tall pieces. Sort of like maybe like one in the. I'm trying to remember its name. One sec. What? The Pachycephalosaurus. I forgot that thing's name, but I have it set, but it's kind of destroyed. So there's a part that can go with the door. It's a tall gray piece, and there's a tall white piece. There's one block thick, but it's like 5 blocks tall. So it's like this tall. You can stack them in any order you want, so it might be able to work. So you can make it like how bricks go, like one here, and one here. So like a rocket ship. I'm making this so none of y'all dirty-minded people can mess this up. Oh, look, my nails. Something's on this nail. Oh well, I'll just clean off later. Anyway, so done with the buildings. Vehicles, you can just get like Lego sets if you want to, but if you want to do it really good, like, so like TD Bricks or like any of his other like YouTuber friends that use Legos, they use spare parts, I believe. Like, you know, sometimes when you get a Lego set and you have spare pieces, sometimes people just put them in Lego bins. No, they store them in like with the other pieces, but like they organize them. You know, just shout out to all my Lego YouTubers because they do really good, and sometimes they don't get a lot of views, which they should be getting a lot of views because Lego, I feel like it might be dying a little bit. Like, it is expensive. I'm being dead serious. It is expensive. I mean, I get if like someone's $200 and it's like huge, but if it's like something like small, like tiny, maybe like the Pachycephalosaurus escape set. It's like a little office building and like a containment area with like a Pachycephalosaurus and some scientists. That thing goes for like around like 30 maybe something dollars, I think, today. No, let me just see that. How much does it go for? Let's see here. It goes for $50. You heard that right, $50. $50. That's insane. It like goes for $50. That's too much. Like Legos are too expensive, and like it's not even that much. It's just a Pachycephalosaurus, one scientist with a mug, and one guard with a gun, and just a Pachycephalosaurus itself. Like that is overpriced. Hold on. And there's another one that's overpriced. The pterodactyl, the pterodon. It's just Owen Grady with its egg and a blaster, and then a vehicle with a net and a shooter for the net, and just the pterodon, or the pterodactyl, whichever. Oh my god, whichever the hell you choose how to say it. It's $49.95. And you know what's crazy? You know what's really, really crazy? There's something that goes for... Nah, bro, this is too expensive, bro. $300. $300. That's like too much, bro. That is too much. $269.23 for one set. That's just too much. Lego, you gotta chill out. Like, you making $300 Lego sets. For why? Like, people, they make Lego sets to display them, and sometimes play with them. Or just use the action figures, or the Lego minifigures to play with. Like, don't make them too expensive. Anyways, about the Lego City. So, yeah, vehicles, you can use spare parts. Don't buy the Lego sets, because, like, it just makes it look like, too off. Because, like, you make the Lego, oh my god. You made the Lego City like a certain size, so it can, like, fit somewhere, probably. And if you get a Lego set, they usually make the cars, like, really big or really small. Not really like the perfect size for Lego City, because you never know what size they might actually be. Like, you can make like a Lego City pretty big, like maybe like big, so you can fit on a desk. And then you get a Lego set car, and it's microscopic compared to it. Well, in reality, cars are kind of microscopic to cities. But anyways, I mean like microscopic, like too small for a regular car. Like, if you want like a good car for it, maybe use like the go-kart type of like vehicles, like the go-kart black parts, like for the base of the car itself. Use those ones, because regular cars, it's just too long. Like, it's like this long. Go-karts, it's like this big, so you can have a perfectly sized vehicle. Now that we're off the vehicle section, what else can I add? What can I add? Oh, like roofs. The roofs are kind of tricky. So, what you're gonna want to do for roofs, if you're making a Lego City, then you're gonna wanna... What the heck is this? Oh, my big boy pencil. A very thick pencil. Anyways, so Lego City with roofs, you're gonna need like a foldable piece. So sort of like the Lego piece that can go like this. So like scissors. Like, you have to attach one piece like this to it, then it can turn like this, like like that. You want to get maybe like some of those in, and you have to remember those like cylinder pieces with the holes I was talking about for the lamppost, like at the bottom. Use those and like make like a full set like line, then keep going up and up and up. Then you can copy that onto the other side. You can't actually copy and paste, but like you can just copy how it looks. Then you can fold them like this onto a building. If you just want to make like a library or like a mall or a police station or just whatever, then you can do that. Regular buildings, like for the ceilings, that one. use like the long one by maybe like one by. What's the longest lace? One by 10 piece. That is like the thin one. You can make it go across. A bit one's like this way. So then you can place down like a like a base piece. Like you can place two big Lego pieces or just many small pieces. Then you can just put like the flat 1x4 pieces, or no, not the 1x4, 2x4 pieces onto the roof, so it's flat. And if you want to, you can add like those little like roof things, like so like a little hut and like a door right there. If you don't want to do that, then you don't have to. But if you want to, you can. And that's all Lego City for you. It's really bad explanations, but I mean, it was back in 2019. I was like 14. I now turned 15, so I'll have been like 5, I believe. Let me do my math. Quick maths. Oh, I would have been 9. 9 years old. 9, that's right. 9. So, anyways, yes, that's done with the Lego City. Yeah, so, I still got like 30 something minutes, maybe like 20 something minutes, like 23 minutes. You know, should I just do a game, like, make the rest of this a game video? It's like I finished talking about the Lego City, so, and I don't have much left to do. Guess I can play some games with y'all. Play some games. Alright, so this video is definitely gonna have to be not made for kids, because we're gonna be playing some GTA 5. And yeah, I don't believe that is mature enough for some people. Mercy, out. Thank you. Alright, let me aim you with the Mercy! Girl, what do I keep on telling you? Get out to my room. Finally. Don't worry, it's booting up. Just gonna give it a second. Alright, there we go. And place this right here. Then this. What the heck? Ugh. Weird. So yes, GTA. GTA 5 is a wild game. You know, let me turn this up for y'all. I was trying to finish so y'all could actually kind of see. Hello! Alright, let's play GTA 5. Hi, God. Look. Holy crap. Call up. Power fight. Find the garage. my god, I'm gonna have to make an emergency landing. You got this, Chris. You got this. You just watched Sully. You can do this. I don't think planes are able to do that in GTA. That's delete on. I can't do it in GTA. Oh no. Knife. Swimmity swim, swimmity swim. I am swimming. Let me put this in onto the charger real quick. And then I'll put this in here. Charging. Give it charging. Alright boys, let's play some GTA. Oh come on. I don't want a bicycle. Oh thank you. Thank you very much. Oh choose Franklin. Franklin with a skull on his head. And yes, I'm playing in directory mode. In directory mode. It's just to have some fun. Oh, that was kind of close. Oh my lordy lord. Oh my lord. Alright. Come on Chris, you got this. Oh, not good. Wait, what? Mr. President, I'm here. Sure, the second plane is not gonna hit today. I am saved. Yippee! I just made a shoe logo. What does that mean? Do any of y'all know what that means? Chat? Well, I mean not chat. Do any of y'all know what that means, guys? What does a shoe logo mean? Is it something bad? Time to go on a massacre. Now we have some fun. Okay, friends. Let's... No more friendliness. Let's have some fun. Yeah, it crushed. What time is it? Huh. Oh no. You doing okay? I have power. Oh, drift. Yeah, not drift. Wasn't a much better. Oh, y'all. Ow. Ouchies. That's it. How about now? Yeah, I just don't think I'm gonna saw him anything. Like, I ain't something someone's just gonna do. Huh? You got smoked. I don't mind. I ain't gonna change that, honestly. Oh, shoot. Alright, right on this one. I don't know. No way. Seriously can't get in. Oh, there we go. For real. My vehicle cannot fit in there and break through it. It cannot break through. No wrong, bro. It sounds a little bit mysterious, if you ask me. Let's open up the gates already. Okay, let's find this part, shall we?
Get out of my way.
Where's the part? No. Come on. Get the chopper. Yes! Finally, I hit the ghost dog plane. The helicopter. No. Yeah. I always wondered if you could drive that plane. I think you can, though. Well, well. You'll never catch me alive. You stupid people. Nope. Time to fly. Recreating slowly. I'm trying to. Come on. Come on. It doesn't work. Wonders of the deep. Wait, what?
Rocky.
Hi, Rock. I remember you going for, it says right here, 53 minutes and 7 seconds right now. So, guess I should end it right here. Thank you all so much for watching, and like, subscribe, and here's a video.